So people, welcome back to my channel. I know this video is after quite a long time because I was very busy with my life and personal commitments, and so finally I got some time to record some videos. So today we are diving into the world of premium audio with the Soundcore Space Q45 headphones. So these headphones I've been using from quite a long time, actually maybe around 1 year. I generally use these for my air travel and all that, and I use them for listening to music, watching movies, and of course main purpose of my headphones, these headphones, are ANC. So this video is about the general technical specification and brief review of these headphones, and the main thing will be the sound demo of these headphones. So let's find out if these budget-friendly headphones are alternative to high-ends like AirPod Max or Bose or Sennheisers. Let's see. So first up, let's talk about the design and packaging. This is the case you get with these headphones. Let's open the case. So these are the headphones, and this is the cable you get. So this is USB-C to USB-A for charging, and auxiliary cable, and then you have this cheap plastic thing, something. So let's see if this can fit without those. I think you can use this is better, I guess. So let's talk about the headphones now. Now regarding the design, so as we have already seen, these are foldable headphones and can be quite compact for your backpack, and these got rotating cups, so you can keep these headphones on your neck. So regarding the design, the headphones feels quite sturdy actually, with premium quality finish, and the headband it's not flimsy actually. If you see the price of these headphones, the build quality is quite good. So this is made of plastic, but this is metal with a very plush headband and plush ear cups. It's very soft and very comfortable headphone actually for longer use. So now on the right hand side, if you see on the right cup, you can see this is the volume rocker, then your play and pause button, then your auxiliary port. That's it. And then on the left hand side, this is your NC, noise cancellation on and off button. This is the power on and off, then power LED, which indicates your charging levels, then your charging port, USB-C. These headphones don't have a touch control, so all the controls are through buttons only. And personally, I like the button controls much better than the touch controls. Now regarding the technical specification of these headphones, the approximate weight is around 300 grams. So these are quite light actually, and the battery capacity is 750 milliampere hour, and these can give you around 65 hours of playback with ANC off and 50 hours of playback with ANC on. And the noise cancellation is the adaptive one, so later on I'll show you the application. Then the connectivity is through Bluetooth 5.3 and supports SBC, AAC, LDAC codecs. Then of course auxiliary mode as well. Frequency response is from 20 Hz to 40 kHz, and impedance is 16 ohms. So even if you want to use these headphones with your auxiliary mode, then your smartphone can easily drive these headphones. Sound pressure level is 117 dB. So anything more than 100 dB is more than sufficient, and these headphones are quite loud, so you don't need to worry about the volume levels. And these headphones comes with the three color options: black, blue and white. Now the other features are multi-point connections. So you can connect these headphones to two devices parallelly. Then customizable ambient sound through Soundcore AI app. And then the AI enhanced calls with two microphones. So these headphones contain two microphones. The call quality is quite good actually. So in the sound demo, you will hear the call quality as well. So now let me quickly show you the application, Soundcore application. So I will just switch on the headphones. So this is the power button. So as you can see, the blue light is blinking. So the headphones are now on and connected. So this is the application for the Soundcore Q45. So this is the main home page of the application, and on the main home page you can see the ambient sound settings. So first one is the noise cancellation, second is normal mode, and then the third one is the transparency mode. Now if you click on the noise cancellation, so the noise cancellation also has another different options, like two options. One is adaptive so one is adaptive noise cancellation, and other one is the custom noise cancellation. So you can set the level. Then the next is transparency mode. Then again the transparency mode has different modes like talk mode and custom transparency levels. So you can set. So the next is the safe volume limit. So in this option, in this page, you can limit the volume levels of the headphones so that you can safeguard your hearing. So the options are given like limit high volume and all that. Then controls. So this explains the different controls of the headphones, and you can of course customize also, like press one and press twice. If you go to the press once, so these are the different options, and then the press twice. So these are the different options if you want to set press twice. Then at last, the main USP of this Soundcore app, sound effects. So you can make your custom hair ID with this option. So I've already made, and of course you can do advanced settings as well, like the initial curve, custom hair ID, and then you can combine your custom hair ID with a favorite music mode, equalizer mode. So there are many equalizer modes given. Then if you go to the default, so these are default sound equalizer equalizer options, like Soundcore signature sound. And you can of course select the bass up, bass down with this one. So this is for the extra bass. And then you can set your custom equalizer. And then if you go to the option, let's see, in the options, the first one is given is wind noise reduction for your microphones, then device list for your multiple connections. So I have not enabled actually right now dual device connections, so you can just connect these headphones to the two different devices. Then auto power off, update firmware, of course make sure your headphones are having the latest firmware. So I think that's it regarding the application. Now regarding the sound signature of these headphones, the sound signature of these headphones is a bit neutral with little bit of V-shaped sound. I cannot say it's actual V-shape sound, but it's a neutral sound with bit emphasis on higher frequencies and lower frequencies more. So the bass is quite good actually in these headphones. So let's just quickly jump to the sound demo of these headphones so that you can figure out from yourself so how these headphones sounds to your ears, and let's go. So you are listening to the internal microphone of Soundcore Space Q45. So this recording is with a quiet background. So you are listening to the internal microphone of Soundcore Space Q45. So this is with a cafe, the simulated sounds.
नजरिया लागे नहीं कहीं ओ नजरिया लागे नहीं कहीं नजरिया नजरिया लागे नहीं कहीं लागे नहीं कहीं और नजरिया लागे नहीं कहीं और नजरिया लागे नहीं कहीं नजरिया लागे नहीं कहीं लागे नहीं कहीं लागे नहीं कहीं ओ
So guys, hope you enjoyed the sound demo of these headphones, and in conclusion, the Soundcore Space Q45 headphones offer excellent value for the money with their impressive sound quality and effective ANC. Now, if you're looking for a budget-friendly alternative to high-end models, these headphones are definitely worth considering. Thank you guys for watching this video, and please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel for more reviews. I'll be coming back with more reviews with more headphones and especially camera gears as well. So please stay tuned. Thank you.